Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Step by Step. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning about colors. We'll look at colorful objects, say their names out loud, and play some fun color games. Are you ready? Let's go! Meet the colors. Let's start with some bright and beautiful colors. Say the colors with me. Red, like a shiny apple. Yellow, like the glowing sun. Blue, like the big sky. Green, like a crunchy leaf. Orange, like a juicy orange. Purple, like yummy grapes. White, like a fluffy cloud. Black, like the night sky. Pink, like cotton candy. Let's say them all together. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, white, black, pink. Great job! Colorful object game. Let's play a color game. Can you tell me what color these objects are? What color is this balloon? Red. What color is this banana? Yellow. What color is this frog? Green. What color is this whale? Blue. What color is this strawberry? Red. You're doing amazing. Color champ. Repeat and match. Now let's play repeat and match. Say the color I say and match it to something at home. Ready? Orange. Find something orange around you. Purple. Can you spot something purple? Blue. What's something blue near you? Red. Run and find something red. Great job! You're so fast and smart. Color song recap: red and yellow, blue and green. So many colors to be seen. Orange and purple, pink and white. Colors are fun and oh so bright. You did an awesome job today, Explorer. Give yourself a big clap. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss more learning fun on Kids Step by Step. See you next time and keep looking for colors all around you.